In front of me is OUKITEL WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to access Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock. Now just tap on one of those lock-on methods, pattern, PIN or password, and create it. Then choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Following that, select Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by tapping on one of the available options. When you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!